Hey Karen, saw your question, wanted to get an answer out for you today. For everybody else that's listening, Karen says, and all your videos are for smaller saunas. I hope to have a place as a massage therapist where people can come and to use the saunas as part of their experience. I need one large enough, at least the doorway to fit an average wheelchair for transfer to the sauna to get them in and out of the sauna. I have never seen your reviews include the size of the doorways. The larger ones seem to have USB and other things I don't want. Is there one that would qualify for a small business person or someone who is in a wheelchair with the quality you choose? So great question. I can tell you right off the bat, the reason that you don't see me review these kind of saunas and talk about them is just they're not what the masses are usually looking for. So the majority of the people that I help are residential users. And so a commercial sauna or something like that, unless they have a disabled person in their home or they themselves need some type of transfer assistance, generally people are not willing to go through the expense of, like, for example, some ADA compliant saunas, depending on which company or brand you're talking about, they might be 220 saunas. So we're talking about running complete electrical, not just upgrading a line, but adding additional circuitry at the house panel, number one, and then running the whole new circuits. It's just not something that I usually come across or that most people want. So that's why you don't see me talking about them. In your case, if you're talking about a commercial space or you're gonna lease a space in a strip center or something like that, it's very easy to do a line drop. Typically there's 220 already in the space. So it's really easy for a massage place or some type of natural healing place to incorporate that into the build out. It's a piece of cake. To answer your question on the actual sauna, if you're specifically gonna work with people that need transfer assistance or are gonna be in wheelchairs, there's only one sauna that I know of that is the best fit for you. It's gonna be the Clearlight Sanctuary ADA compliant model. It's the only sauna that I know of that has the width of the door that you're looking for and also comes with a ramp. So other saunas might be wide enough, like some of the yoga saunas, but you want to get something that's ADA compliant if that's what you're going to do, because you're going to want the ramp. You don't want to have to build one, because I don't have to explain this to you, but for other people, most saunas, like in a yoga sauna or any of my saunas, even if the door width will support whatever you're trying to push through it, typically those saunas are not built with a flush threshold. So generally it's a raised threshold, and so that would present almost like a curb or something as an obstacle in your way. You definitely want to go with something that has a ramp that's built flush to completely eliminate all of that, because that would not be it wouldn't be a good experience for your customers. So I would recommend the Clearlight Sanctuary ADA model for that. There's probably some other commercial grade stuff on the market, none that I have personally used. Again, this is not my primary area of expertise, but if you have other questions about actual effectiveness or anything like that, I mean, you wouldn't have any problems with that sauna for this particular application. I think it would be your best bet. So hope that helps, Karen. Have a great day. We'll see you in tomorrow's video.